Mathematics is not only about numbers, it's also about logic, structure, and decision-making. In discrete mathematics, we learn concepts such as sets theory, binary and hexadecimal conversion, truth tables, Boolean algebra, and propositional logic. These ideas may seem abstract inside the classroom, but they actually exist in our daily lives. Every time we sort things, make digital choices, check conditions, or solve problems, we are applying these concepts without even realizing it. Let's begin with sets theory. In real life, we group and categorize things every day, just like when we sort friends, hobbies, or even food into different sets.
Bro, I want to paint my nails. Kaso, ang gusto kong kulay ay pink, red, and bright magenta. Ay yung sa those available colors are red, blue, and bright magenta.
Hindi hanapin mo yung intersection. I know red, sound bright magenta.
From grouping, let's move into numbers. Computers don't see numbers the way we do. They use binary, and through conversion, we can represent those numbers in hexadecimal, making data easier to read.
Tara pre, Lord tayo pare.
Gian!
Uy, what's good man?
Uy, kasi yung website na chinek ko sa salon, naka-binary yung kulay. Hindi ko na alam, hindi.
Madali lang yan, man. I got you covered, bro.
Okay.
Tara, wait, kayo ko sa'yo. Kailangan ka. Anong number sa website sa?
8-1.
8-1.
8-0. 8-1 ulit.
Daming 1, ha? Madali lang to. First, i-convert muna natin siya into hexadecimal. Hati natin sa tig-4. Tama? Tama.
Tama, ang galing.
Champion. Tapos, ipag-plus natin yan. Una, nag-i-start ang binary sa 1, 2, 4, and 8. Since yung 1 representing the on and the 0 is representing the off, pwede natin makalculate yan. Dito, 1, 2, 4, 8 ang meron. Kasi naka-on siya. Pag naka-on, we can plus that. So, magiging 15. Ito naman, naka-0. Basically, 0 lang din siya. And naulit lang tong puro 1, kaya 15 ulit. And sa hexa, ang 15 na number, nagre-represent ng letter F. Tapos, pag 0 naman, 0 lang din. Tapos, ang meaning niyan is hex code. Meaning, hashtag FF00FF.
Anong kulay yan?
Bright magenta.
Sakto, ayun yung gusto ko.
Nice one! Halimaw!
Next is the truth table. It helps us understand all possible outcomes of a decision or condition, like testing every what-if scenario in real life.
Guys, bubuko na yung appointment ko.
Saan naman?
Isa na yung salon.
Doon ba?
Oo.
Bago yan. Available ba ang kulay na gusto mo?
Oo naman.
Okay na isang condition. Ano ba ang pera mo?
Oo naman, presa ako ba yun?
Since dalawang condition ang qualified, pwede ka nang
Sige.
From truth tables, we move to Boolean algebra. This is where logic operations like and, or, and not come in, just like making choices based on multiple conditions.
Gusto ang buhay-buhay. Umulan ba sa labas? Oo, labas ba sa mga birthday? Sayang, malapit na pasukan eh. Pare, nag-announce na ba yung DepEd? Oo, pare, nag-announce na ngayon na alaw pasok. Wala na raw? Nag-announce na yung DepEd. Umuulan sa labas. Ay, walang pasok yan. Manigurado. Sige, pare, uwi ka ba? Ano na ako?
Ano ba yan? Wala ako. No, di ko malaman kung nagsuspend na ba yung DepEd. Kuya, nagsuspend na ba yung DepEd?
Wala rin naman yun eh. Pwede ko lang. Kaya na pa nang suspend.
Kaya pala. Since umuulan at nagsuspend yung DepEd, ibig sabihin wala talaga tayong pasok.
Obviously.
Sige kuya, salamat ah.
Ang happy mo, te. Te.
Finally, we apply propositional logic. These are everyday if-then statements. If one thing happens, then another follows. It's logic we use in decisions all the time.
Tawagan mo ako itong asawa ko.
Your phone ringing.
Hello? Ang tagal mo naman sumagot. Kanina pa ako tumatawag sa'yo. Palis na rin ako. Naantay ko na lang yung MRT. If the MRT breaks, then I'm gonna be late. Sige na.
Oh, may announcement. MRT service is temporarily suspended. Ayun na, it broke down.
Ano? Eh di malilate na talaga ako. Sige, hindi na lang ako papasok. Sakto, mag-isa lang ako dito sa bahay.
Diamond Grab. Mag-jeep ka na lang.
Okay?
Through these simple moments, we've seen how sets, binary, and hexadecimal, truth tables, Boolean algebra, and propositional logic aren't just abstract lessons, they're tools we use daily. Discrete mathematics is everywhere, shaping the way we think, decide, and solve problems.